In this video, we will see how to do the purchase transactions in CSC Mutual Fund portal. Once the customer ID is activated, user can do the purchase transaction on CSC Mutual Fund portal. A mutual fund is an investment option which collects money from investors and invests it in a diversified portfolio of securities like stocks, bonds, and other assets. Mutual funds are professional managed by experienced fund manager and reduces the risk by investing in multiple securities. Mutual funds investments are easy to invest and redeem. Mutual funds investments can start with 100 rupees. Mutual funds companies regularly provide disclosures on their portfolio and these are regulated by SEBI, the stock market regulator. Benefits of mutual funds are that it creates wealth for the investors and diversity the risk associated with investments. Mutual funds ELSS schemes provide tax benefits under Section ACC. You can also choose to invest the amount in lump sum or can start the SIP. Further, multiple options such as equity, debt, hybrid etc. are available for investment. VLE will be able to earn more commission if he sells the mutual funds scheme through the CSC portal. Further, it provides multiple benefits such as convenience in order placement, single screen access to multiple schemes mutual funds, data confidentiality security technology built to assure ownership of client data. For doing the mutual fund transactions, VLE to log into Digital Seva portal by using his user ID and password. VLE will search for mutual funds in DSP. VLE can also access the website mutualfunds.csccloud.in for doing the mutual funds transactions. Please click on Transaction and then click on Purchase come SIP option. Please provide the customer ID of the investor. VLE can search the customer ID through Locate Customer option under View Customer. Investor details will be shown. If VLE is having the UN, same will be shown in this screen. Please select the transaction nature through the drop-down provided. User can opt for fresh purchase or additional purchase or it can be SIP. Select normal in case of a fresh purchase or additional purchase. Select systematic in case of a SIP transaction. VLE will select the payment mode from the drop-down such as UPI, net banking, debit card etc. Bank details are to be selected from the drop-down. Please note that investor has to make the payment through this bank account. If any other bank details are used for payment, request will be rejected and funds will be returned within 3 to 4 days. User is also required to select the mutual fund and mutual fund scheme from the drop-down. If investor has the existing folio in the mutual fund selected, same can be provided. Click Add to save the scheme details entered. Investment in multiple schemes can be made in a single transaction towards which a single payment can be effected. Investment amount to be provided in Payment Details section. Please provide the declaration and click on Next button. VLE to check the entered details and click on Save button. Investor will make the payment through the bank details selected while submitting the purchase request. If any other bank details are used for payment, request will be rejected and funds will be returned within 3 to 4 days. Confirmation screen will be shown on successful payment. Investor will get the message from mutual fund once units are purchased. VLE can download the transaction detailed report from the report menu to check the transactions performed. You can visit our website mutualfunds.csccloud.in for more information. You can also contact us by sending email to mutualfunds@csccloud.in.